Hello, so today we're going to review the Cozy Witch Tarot Deck by Amanda Lovelace. Artwork by Janaina Maderos. So ito yung tsura niya. Right. Okay, it costs $24.99. Take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. 78 full color cards. Yan. Ito yung kanyang. This one is for the beginners kasi may meaning na siya sa ilalim. Ayan. Ang ganda kasi meron din siyang spread kung paano mo siya gagamitin. May mga tips din siya. Ilang spread, weekly spread, storybook, cozy night spread. The Empress, and meron siyang reverse meaning. May mga pictures din siya. So, maganda kasi meron siyang reverse meaning. So, ito yung book niya. Ayan. Pares, match na match siya dun sa box niya. And then, plain lang yun nasa loob niya. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Pwede siyang pang reverse din. Kasi hindi siya halata kahit naka-reverse. So, ito yung naka-reverse, ito yung naka-upright. The quality, okay siya. The size, mas malaki siya sa regular tarot cards. Hindi siya agad-agad nagbe-bend. Mukhang matibay siyang klase na cards. Yung edge niya is pa bilog. Round yung edge niya. So, let's start. Lalagay ko siya dito sa right side para pag mabilis, you can pause it. So, ang kagandahan dito, no, pwede talaga siya sa beginners. Kasi meron siyang meaning sa ilalim. So, yung the full niya, the Cozy Witch. Take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. The Magician, you have everything you need to do anything you want. The High Priestess, tingnan mo yung High Priestess, nagtataro siya. Yung mga crystal din siya. When in doubt, your first gut feeling can always be trusted. The Empress. Oh, ito lang yung nakita kong Empress na nanganak na. Kasi usually, yung Empress, sa ibang tarot, buntis pa lang eh. Dito may baby na. There is a beauty to be found in every experience. The Emperor. Being the authority of your own life comes with a lot of responsibility. The Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. The Lovers. Will you or won't you? The choice is yours. The Chariot. Nakabike lang yun na Chariot. Pero may snail, no? Diba mabagal ang snail? The Chariot is mabilis. You'll never get anywhere if you keep standing still. The Strength. It takes a great strength to be soft. The Hermit. There are some things that must be done on your own. The Lucky Charm. Ano ba yun? The Lucky Charm? Wheel of Fortune. If nothing seems to be going your way, cast a spell. The Justice. Stick to your truth and everything will turn out just fine. The Patient Witch. Learn to get comfortable with sitting still whenever necessary. Iba-iba yung name niya. The Broom. Tidy up life. You can make space for something better. Temperance. Toxic Witches. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Ace of Wands. 2 of Wands. 3 of Wands. 4 of Wands. 5 of Wands. 6 of Wands. 7 of Wands. 8 of Wands. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Ace of Cups. 2 of Cups. 3 of Cups. 4 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. Sorry, but fairies aren't going to come do all the work for you. 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Pause and savor the results of your success. Having it all looks different to everyone. 10 of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. When life gives you a lemon, make enchanted lemonade. Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely you're going places. The Witch is in. There's no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. Thanks for supporting for local witches. King of Pentacles. True success isn't just about money. It's about happiness too. Wow, King of Pentacles. Alright. So, ang ganda niya. Quality yung cards. Hindi nga lang siya, malaki siya sa regular deck. Tarot deck. Kapag shuffle mo siya, pag ganito, kasi masyado siyang malaki kapag gagawin mo ng casino shuffle. So, ganyan. Pag casino shuffle kasi, parang kapag maliit yung kamay mo, medyo mahirap siya. Better kapag ganito mo siya isa-shuffle. This way. Ganyan. Ayan. So, yeah. Ang ganda niya for the beginners. 9 out of 10 siya para sa akin. So, hindi ko alam, pero meron siyang bago to. Parang meron siyang siguro yung na print to. Ayan. Yan lang naman with all the cards. Ayan lang yung napansin ko. So, para sa akin, yan, 9 out of 10. Pwede siya sa beginner. Then, ang ganda ng quality din niya. Medyo malaki siyang card, pero manageable naman siya. So, yun lang. Nakalist din to sa Shopee ko. If you're interested to buy it, I'm selling it at same price, minus the shipping fee from US, of course. But you need to pay for the shipping fee here in the Philippines. So, yun. If you have any tarot in mind, Lenormand or oracles, just let me know. If meron na dito, unahin ko siyang i-review. Just comment it below. If not, I'll try my best to find it and then review natin siya. Yun lang. Please like and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye!